Diabetes is a metabolic condition that occurs when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or when the body does not properly use the insulin it produces. Blood sugar levels then rise and endanger your health. 5 million people died from diabetes in 2015, and the prevalence is increasing each year, particularly in developing countries, including in Africa. The complications of type 2 diabetes, the most common type, make it a disease to be taken very seriously. Thus, diabetes is a major cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attack, stroke, and lower limb amputation. Heart attack is one of the most common complications affecting people with diabetes. Due to the dangerousness of diabetes, it is crucial that you identify your status as early as possible and take proper steps to prevent the effects of the silent killer. Tianzi Group supports your well-being in this matter with a wonderful product. It is called Tian Super Calcium Powder with Metabolic Factors, a calcium supplement specially designed for diabetics. It is made with calcium from ox bones thanks to cutting-edge bioengineering. It is enriched with pumpkin powder, malt oligosaccharide, magnesium, vitamins A, B1, B2, D, etc. Each of these ingredients acts directly on hyperglycemia and the organs affected by this disease. For example, the calcium, the vitamin D, and the magnesium contained in super calcium powder with metabolic factors help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes through their role in modulating insulin resistance, pancreatic beta cell function, and inflammation. Vitamin B1 prevents kidney metabolic disorders caused by hyperglycemia and strengthens the function of the pancreas. Vitamin B2 regulates blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Pumpkin powder provides pectin, soluble dietary fiber, and polysaccharides, which are natural blood sugar lowering factors. The functional oligosaccharide contained in this food supplement maintains intestinal health. Many diabetics have used Tian Super Calcium Powder with metabolic factors and are now doing well. If you suffer from diabetes, take Tian Super Calcium Powder with metabolic factors from now on. You'll see that thanks to Tian Super Calcium Powder with metabolic factors, diabetes is no longer a fatality. The dosage is 1 bag, twice a day, and a glass of lukewarm water. Warning: this product is not intended to be used as a substitute for any drug. Its prolonged consumption is not recommended for non-diabetics.